Taxiing out.
Handle that one, man.
I hope I can, for Richard's sake. I'll take it down so maybe we can get it coming off the ground.
All right.
Is that a Hyperion kit?
Taking off. You have a timer on this thing?
Yeah,
Okay.
I got time for you. Looked like there was that down elevator, huh?
The wind, too. Now see, yeah, I could put some up elevator in it. Click or two. Low pass.
What happens when you hit the flaps?
I'll try it up there. You want me to try flap?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to try flap. I'm going to go up a little bit higher. Hold on a second. It balloons up.
Was that on one click up?
One click up, it balloons up. And I think it's because we're tail heavy, too.
Still?
Still. Yeah. You know, I might have been going a little too fast, too. Let's see. Oh, yeah.
Still, huh? Tail heavy?
No. Yeah, but I think I was going a little too fast last time when I deployed the flaps.
Oh,
So it didn't balloon that time. Here, I'm going to deploy the flaps. There's one click of flaps. Nah, it's a Cessna.
Slow down pretty good. What do you at, about 30% throttle?
Not half.
Half?
Half.
Just cruising along.
Low pass. Low pass. He wants some pictures. Try to get them.
I guess I could put the wheel pans on it now, huh? It'll look better.
Landing from the right. I don't think I'm going to use flaps. It goes so slow.
Actually, I kind of feel the wind coming from the right.
And you're right.
Nice job. Wow. Not bad for a beginner.
Hey, this plane's easy to fly. She's a beauty.
Oh, yes. How you doing? That would help.
Richard, you want me to try a flap takeoff later? Or?
Yeah. We'll get it charged up again.
Those guys are ready, so we'll put this one away.
What do you guys show?
Flies beautiful.
Yeah, it'd be nice to know what it does.
And when you get the When you get a little more weight up front, it'll be even nicer.
Thank you, sir, for a nice flight.
Got some good pictures.
Yeah. Gotcha.